And this is the kind of fish we're using. This kind of fish, in my place, they call it akpai. Or ekpai. Call it ekpai.
Okay, remove what I say.
Mommy,
See where I do this. I've already opened it from here.
So this is it.
Mommy.
We're using this local plate. Oba.
See. Don't I will try, no point.
Venice, leave that fish.
Mom, can I eat?
Eat what?
That is fish.
You have to fish.
Are you putting the skin?
I was putting it.
Don't put the skin. The skin is mainly the shell.
It's your small hand there. I'm not moving the bone. See, this is.
Hey you guys, good afternoon. How are you guys doing? So yeah, I want to prepare what soup? Yeah, I want to prepare sisa soup for the afternoon. Bernice, leave this place. So we actually ate pap in the morning. I need to prepare soup. Plus, my mother-in-law is going out. Thank you. I don't want. Give me. My mother-in-law is going out for a wedding. Like we've already started preparing this thing. Auntie, is the place far? It's far inside. Wow. Sorry guys, you want to go and fetch water. So where you're fetching that water is far inside.
Yes.
Is it very far?
Very.
And is water clean?
It's not that clean, but it's clean.
It's better than a sewer water.
No.
Don't touch it, it's hot. It's hot. Where's the cover of this thing now? You people not allow someone to just...
How she throw it inside fire?
I don't even know where she kept it.
She can drop that.
Cover it.
After how many years cooking again in the village?
Bernice. Come and bring That chair, let that.
Hi. You know, no. Come on,
This one. She will not leave her mommy alone. No.
It's for mommy.
Banish.
You guys, in Abuja, I used to personally cook my bitter leaf, because if I don't cook it, it will be extremely bitter. So that's why I'm cooking this one, to remove some of the bitterness so that we can eat it. The people that wash this bitter leaf safe, they don't even try.
Baby, come, let's go and see that pineapple. Come, let's go and carry it.
Yeah, she carries what I'm very hot.
Hot again.
Carry the one. I'll boil another one to get fairness.
Mommy, open that's it for me.
Drinking the other one. Hmm?
Yes.
Grandmother. See your shoe. I see that the person cooking.
Be careful with my camera.
The shoe is looking as if she's the person cooking. Shift. Drop that bucket. Remove that cover. Take, go and give mom. Before you come out. Before you come out at last.
That mask will give me the Maggi that I'm going to put inside this.
Masu. Go in here, my dear. Say she have put my dear.
How many?
Only 4.
I sit down here. Mommy, baby.
Oh, my bathing, Dennis.
Oh, but no, that's without water is. What is it? Yeti, what is it? She wants to continue going inside the bush. You, what are you doing? Hey, why are you putting that place? Ask Ma whether she does not have seed. What's your name? Okay, please help me ask Ma whether she has seed.
Ako na ngakwa ngachi. Maybe you know your whereabouts.
Baby, don't go to that main road again.
She gonna be playing with grass.
Maybe there's grass here. You have to play with grass here.
Is she a goat? I just play with grass. Don't go to that place.
Yeah, bring me that camera.
Just everybody.
Come on, give me this thing. What's this?
Yeah. Then leave that too. Leave that water. One here for them.
Ma, ahara. Okay, no. That's what I want to use to bait you people.
Yeah, I want to.
We'll
Yeah, I want to see.
You want to sit?
Oh yeah, you people should go outside. Let me finish cooking this thing. Come and bait you people.
Yeah, come, let's go.
Mommy,
It's not my own, it's for your grandma. No, she said I should collect it. She said I should collect it from you.
Yeah, man, rice and corn so nice. The mama and DJ Giant, and candle. I say, I want the man in your marrow. The man in your marrow, the man I'm over no way, and I'm going to get him on the little by no money. I'm not my Julia about water. I forgot an Ojedi na maka kwenye na nje bia guera mo.
You guys, my soup don't do. Oh boy, smoke don't enter my eyes. Finish. Soup don't do. I have to keep on for ground. Ma, ofenga nka. I should warm it on the fire. Okay, warm it. Okay. Okay.
It's about a minute.
I forgot I needed to. I need to even boil water. She wants to use for wedding. It's for who?
That's what I said. They got it for her.
Sit down.
I don't want to sit down there.
Okay, the is already made cup.
One make a no, Mangilavia. Gavia, yes, on a kurang along my yard.
This is already made gele.
Ah, you do. And what's in your phone? Going to fight.
No, your own.
Mamma,
It's not like that, though.
Mamma,
Like her.
Mamma.
The other way. Hello, Momsi.
Not.
Hello, Momsi. You are fine, no. Happy New Year. Same to you, ma. They are fine, ma. Maybe talk to her.
Make one minute. Tomorrow, white.
I don't to pick me up and then I will break. Look me, I'm going to give you beating.
So talk to her now. Maybe we go Kukuma come there at once. I don't know. Now she they decide. Now she they decide where we go stay.
I'm gonna pack it
When you collect that, you tell me your
for
people.
you.
Let's give
Ma, English.
Ma.
Hello?
I will use it.
Huh? Go now,